If you love plants and want an easy way to grow more jade plants for free, then this video is for you. Today we'll show you how to grow a jade plant from a stem cutting in water. This method is simple, beginner friendly and take only a few steps. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jasmine Jassy. Step 1. Choose a healthy stem. The first step is to select a healthy stem from a mature jade plant. Make sure the stem is green, firm, and free from disease of pests. Using a clean, sharp pair of scissors of pruning, shears cut a healthy stem that is about 4 to 6 inch long. If there are leaves on the lower part of the stem, gently remove them. This helps prevent the leaves from rooting in water. Step 2. Place the cutting in water. Now take a clean glass of transparent container if and another no problem container and fill with fresh water. Place the stem cutting into the water, making sure only the bottom part of the stem is submerged. Keep the leaves above the water level because leaves sitting in water may root. Place the glass in a bright location with indirect sunlight. Avoid direct afternoon sun as it can stress the cutting. If possible, change the water every 2-3 days to keep it clean and fresh. Step 3. Wait for roots to grow. Now comes the waiting part. After about 1 week, you will start to notice tiny white roots growing from the bottom of the stem. Depending on the temperature and growing conditions, some cutting may take a little longer. But patience and let the roots grow until they are around 1 to 2 inch long. Healthy roots are good signs that your cutting is ready for planting. Step number 4. Plant it in soil. Once at roots have developed well, it's time to move your jade plant into soil. For my plant, I am using growing soil media, cocoa peat as the growing medium. It holds enough moisture with allowing good airflow around the roots. Make a small hole. Place the rooted cutting gently into the cocoa peat and cover the roots lightly. Water it gently after planting, but don't overwater. Jade plants are succulent, so they prefer slightly dry conditions rather than soggy soil. Keep the pot in bright indirect light for the first few days. As the plant settled in it will continue to grow into a healthy new jade plant. Here is some bonus tips for you. Always use a healthy stem for better success. Keep the water clean and by changing it every few days. Avoid direct sunlight while rooting. Don't over water after transferring to soil. Be patient, every cutting grow at its one piece. Conclusion, and that's it grow. A jade plant from a stem cutting in water is one of the easiest way to propagate this beautiful succulent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel for more gardening tips and plant care videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy gardening.